Welcome back to Auto Speed Vibes, your ultimate pit stop for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a revival that's got the entire car world talking. Toyota is bringing back a legend, and this time, it's not just here to compete, it's here to dominate. We're talking about the 2026 Toyota Cressida, a luxury sedan that's gunning straight for BMW's throne. With jaw-dropping design, cutting-edge tech, and performance that could leave the Germans sweating, this might just be the underdog story of the decade. So buckle up, because things are about to get exciting. The automotive world is buzzing with excitement as Toyota prepares to reintroduce a legendary nameplate, the Cressida. For decades, the Cressida was synonymous with understated luxury, impeccable reliability, and a driving experience that rivaled European competitors. Now, in 2026, Toyota is set to revive the Cressida as a full-fledged luxury sedan, and early indications suggest it could be a serious threat to established players like BMW. Could this be the Japanese luxury sedan that finally humiliates the Germans at their own game? Let's dive into what makes the 2026 Toyota Cressida such a compelling proposition. Toyota's decision to bring back the Cressida isn't just about nostalgia, it's a strategic move to reclaim a segment where the brand once thrived. In the 1980s and early 1990s, the Cressida was Toyota's flagship sedan, offering a blend of refinement, comfort, and engineering excellence that appealed to discerning buyers. It was the car for those who wanted a Mercedes-Benz or BMW but preferred Japanese reliability. Fast forward to 2026, and Toyota is leveraging its decades of expertise in luxury vehicles thanks to Lexus to create a Cressida that doesn't just compete with BMW, it aims to surpass it. The first thing that stands out about the 2026 Cressida is its design. Toyota has taken a bold approach, blending classic sedan proportions with modern, aggressive styling. The front end features a sleek, wide grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving it a presence that commands attention. The side profile is elegant, with a long hood, a sloping roofline, and just the right amount of chrome accents to signify luxury without being ostentatious. At the rear, the Cressida sports slim taillights connected by a light bar, a design cue that's become popular among premium brands. Compared to the latest BMW 5 Series, the Cressida manages to look both more sophisticated and more daring, a rare combination in this segment. Under the hood, the 2026 Cressida is expected to offer a range of powertrains that cater to different preferences. The base model will likely feature a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 300 horsepower, enough to rival BM's 530i. But the real showstopper could be the hybrid and performance variants. Rumors suggest a hybrid powertrain combining a 3.5-liter V6 with electric motors, producing over 350 horsepower while maintaining exceptional fuel efficiency. There's even talk of a GR Gazoo racing version, which could pack a twin-turbo V6 pushing close to 450 horsepower, putting it squarely in competition with the BMW M550i. If Toyota delivers on these specs, the Cressida won't just match BMW, it could outperform it in both power and efficiency. Where the Cressida might truly humiliate BMW, however, is in its driving dynamics. Toyota has been quietly refining its chassis and suspension technology, and the new Cressida is expected to benefit from the same engineering prowess that made the Lexus LS and LC so impressive. Early test drivers report that the Cressida strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, with a suspension that soaks up bumps like a luxury sedan but remains composed and agile when pushed hard. The steering is said to be precise and communicative, a trait often praised in BMWs but sometimes lacking in recent models. If Toyota can deliver a car that drives better than a 5 Series while offering superior reliability, it could be a game changer. Inside, the Cressida is poised to redefine what buyers expect from a Toyota. The cabin is expected to be a masterclass in luxury, with high-quality materials like soft-touch leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats will likely offer exceptional comfort and support, with heating, cooling, and massage functions available. The dashboard will feature a minimalist design dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment system, which is rumored to be more intuitive than BMW's iDrive. A fully digital instrument cluster, a premium sound system, and advanced ambient lighting will round out the interior, creating an environment that feels every bit as upscale as a BMW, if not more so. Technology will be another area where the Cressida could outshine its German rival. Toyota has been investing heavily in advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS), and the 2026 Cressida is expected to come loaded with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities. BMW offers similar tech, but Toyota's reputation for reliability means these systems are likely to work flawlessly for years, whereas some German cars have been criticized for finicky electronics. Additionally, the Cressida could debut Toyota's next-generation infotainment system, which might include augmented reality navigation, voice control that actually works, and seamless smartphone integration, areas where BMW has sometimes lagged. Then there's the matter of price. BMWs are notoriously expensive to buy and maintain, with options and packages quickly inflating the sticker price. The Cressida, on the other hand, is expected to undercut the 5 Series by a significant margin while offering comparable, or even superior, features. Toyota's legendary reliability also means lower long-term ownership costs, something that can't be said for many BMWs once they're out of warranty. If the Cressida delivers BMW-level luxury and performance at a more accessible price point, it could lure away buyers who are tired of the German premium. Of course, BMW won't go down without a fight. The Bavarian automaker has decades of brand prestige and a loyal customer base that values the driving experience it offers. But Toyota has a few aces up its sleeve. First, the Cressida name carries nostalgia and goodwill, especially among older buyers who remember the original. Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability is a huge selling point for buyers who don't want to deal with frequent trips to the dealership. And third, the Cressida could offer something BMW no longer does, a sense of understated elegance. In an era where BMW designs have become increasingly polarizing, the Cressida's clean, sophisticated styling might appeal to those who prefer a more timeless look. The 2026 Toyota Cressida has the potential to be more than just a great luxury sedan. It could be the car that finally proves Japanese automakers can outdo the Germans at their own game. With stunning design, powerful and efficient powertrains, a luxurious and tech-filled interior, and Toyota's unmatched reliability, the Cressida is shaping up to be a serious contender. If it delivers on its promises, BMW should be very worried. The Cressida might not just compete with the 5 Series, it could humiliate it. And that's something no one saw coming. And that's a wrap on the 2026 Toyota Cressida, proof that luxury and performance don't always need a German badge. If Toyota delivers on these promises, BMW might just have a real problem on its hands. What do you think? Could the Cressida be the new king of the luxury sedan world? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-octane content. Until next time, keep chasing those auto speed vibes.